Hello, this is Deborah Charles, aka Dee Charles here, and welcome to my channel. I am the CEO of SuccessWithDD.com, where I inspire, motivate, and certainly appreciate every network marketer, newbie marketer, internet marketer, and home-based business owners who is just like me, have decided to jump out of their comfort zone, kick life back in the butt, and build a financial legacy leveraging social media. Guys, tonight I want to talk about the number one tip that I learned along the way, and I wish I knew I had learned before I became an affiliate marketer. So I want to share that tip with you. But before I do, I want you to go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe to my channel just by clicking the button below and also hitting the notification bell so when I come on these videos, you will not miss a beat from the content that I will be sharing. Now, I want to tell you about this one tip, and it is very simple. You're gonna be like, oh, okay, I got it. Once I tell you what it is. When I first started in doing an online business, I was just everywhere. I was joining this club, that club, and this business and that business, just all over the place. Didn't know what to do when I got in those businesses. I was just everywhere, and so I decided that I wanted to partner up with some coaches because after being spending out a lot of money and being just wasting a lot of time doing things that I didn't know that was not income producing for me, I needed someone guidance to let me know what it was that I needed to do. So I got with some coaches, and so they kind of helped me sort through all of the stuff that I had and kind of defrag my mind from all the other nonsense that I had been running to and fro back and forth with. And they helped me to understand that the number one thing that I needed to do was focus. Yes, that's the little word, FOCUS, focus. When I began to focus on what I needed to do, then things stopped being so overwhelming and complicated to me. See, listen, when you started to just search and search and search, you're doing too much. You just tiring yourself out. And it's just really easy. Just sit down, get you a plan, and just focus on one thing. When you focus on that one thing, then you that's where your success come in. You just focus on doing that one thing over and over and over again, and then as you'll get better and better at whatever that one thing is, you'll get better at it. But if you just focus, I mean, you just got your man going here and there, and you just picking up information from everywhere, then you can't really focus on what you're doing. But I remember reading a book too. It's called The Science of Getting Rich. And in that book, it talks about a lot of things about, prosperity and different things like that. But the one thing that I got from of the book, Mr. Wallace Wattles is the author of that book. He talked a lot about doing things in a certain way. And so when we talk about doing things in a certain way, it's the same thing as focusing. You just shifted your mindset to, hey, this is what I need to do. I need to do this today. I don't need to veer off and go to do, for example, if you know that you've got to focus on doing your Facebook Live, let that be the one thing you do. If it's on a Tuesday, then you want to do Facebook Live, then just do that over and over again till you become successful with that. Instead of jumping over to YouTube and trying to do YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and all of them at the same time. So I'm talking about as a beginner, because certainly as you develop your skill set, you will be able to implement other things. But as a beginner, you need to just focus on one particular thing. And then as a person who is a veteran in this business, you need to make focus on one thing that's income producing on top of that. So this is just a short video of what I've learned along the way about, as a beginner in with my affiliate marketing business, because I just really struggle, and I know some of you out there are doing the same thing. So I hope you're finding value with what I'm saying. Just focused, get clear on what you want to do, and keep your keep your mindset. It helps keep your mindset clear. It keeps your vision more focused on you. You're more focused on your vision and where you want to go. So if you are really if you're really trying to just find your way, then you're struggling. So just calm down and just focus on the one thing that you can be successful with, and you can be creative with. Just stay focused and it makes it's a less lot harder for you. Okay, so we can begin to really focus on why your business is becoming so easy once you just uh, realize that, hey, I can't do this 3 or 4 different things in a day's time. So I hope you got some value from this video, and make sure you click the like, share, and comment button, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so when I come back on tomorrow that you can be able to hear the content that I have. If you are interested in my number one recommendation or business that I'm using to create additional income online, put your email address, or you can inbox me your email address, and I will give you the information. Because let me tell you, I have a 7-day free trial that you can try, and I guarantee you that you will be surprised at the things that you will see. And also, again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. And with this being said, I will talk to you guys later, and you all have a good night. Bye bye.